Always, I remember you. Slow down, so I can follow you. You, such a fearless soul, designed me by truth and broke my mold. Always, I remember you. Slow down, try to tell the truth, and I know I'm just a coward when it comes to love, disarmed by words, like an old wives' tale.